Good, bright, and beautiful Monday to everyone. Thanks for stopping by Garden State Weather, gardenstateweather.blogspot.com, providing superior forecasting for the northern mid-Atlantic region 24 hours a day. I'm forecaster Robert Smith. What a fantastic weekend we had, and great weather's on the way this week as well. Generally clear to partly cloudy skies across the region this morning. Temperatures are averaging near seasonable in the upper 40s to low 50s, and it's just, with calm winds, it's just a gorgeous morning out there. Morning pass of the visible satellite imagery this morning shows nothing but generally clear skies across the forecast region as high pressure is in control, and we await for this next disturbance coming in on later tomorrow and tomorrow night with the cold front moving through the region. As we can see on the Doppler mosaic here, these are all of the individual National Weather Service office Doppler radars. Looks like birds there, but that's really nothing but ground clutter. And this is real precipitation developing across the Great Lakes and will be moving in our direction by tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. But skies for today and tonight absolutely gorgeous. Morning surface chart from weatherroanoke.com. A digital atmosphere software shows the high pressure ridge off the Carolina coast, pumping in a southwesterly flow from the surface all the way to the top layers of the atmosphere, up to 500 millibars anyway. And here is our cold front. It's a nearly stationary front, begrudgingly moving very slowly as it develops and moves towards the Great Lakes region. This will be pushing in our direction over the next 24 hours. Watches, warnings, and advisories for the entire New Jersey, New York, Philadelphia metropolitan area, excepting the coast. We have a fire weather warning in effect. It's a red flag warning in effect from 1 o'clock this afternoon to 8 o'clock this evening. And that means the affected areas across eastern Pennsylvania, all of New Jersey, excluding the immediate coast. The winds will be from the southwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Gust up to 25, relative humidity values low at 20 to 30%. Any fires that develop during the afternoon will have the potential to spread rapidly. Outdoor burning is not recommended. We did have some fires around the Palisades last night or yesterday afternoon as well. For Long Island and interior Connecticut, same thing, an elevated fire weather potential this afternoon with wind gusts up to 20 miles an hour and occasionally to around 25, and relative humidity values in the 30 to 40% range will promote an elevated fire weather risk this afternoon and early evening. It's another stellar day on the aviational weather deck with VFR conditions. Light and variable winds start the day becoming more southerly late this morning. Gusts to the low to mid-20s expected starting mid-afternoon through sunset. Thermal trough setting up. Could see a sea breeze push into Atlantic City by late afternoon. We saw sea breezes both in Long Island and southern Connecticut, also Jersey yesterday afternoon, chilling the air mass down quite considerably along the east shores of Long Island and also the coastal regions of New Jersey, while interior sections basked in the upper 70s and lower 80s. Now, VFR conditions will be in place tonight. Southerly winds will decrease to less than 10 knots in the terminals. And Tuesday night, VFR ceiling restrictions possible during the afternoon and night from scattered showers and an isolated thunderstorm. Restrictions more localized and temporarily. On Wednesday, VFR ceilings possible, especially in the morning with onshore flow developing. Showers expected to push south of the terminals in the morning. Wednesday night through Friday, VFR light winds with high pressure in control. Right now outside of Newark, it's warm, 56 degrees, dew point 44, humidity 64%. The wind is southwest at 3. A few clouds at 12,000, scattered at 25,000. VFR with gusty winds this afternoon. We'll be monitoring that. Philadelphia is also warm this morning, 56, dew point 48, humidity 75%. The wind is southwest at 3, visibility 10, and a few clouds at 10,000. Again, the story today will be the increasing southwesterly winds during this afternoon with VFR conditions in place. Pollen will continue to be on the high side today. Tomorrow, a little bit lower, but still high Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, as oak, birch, maple, and just about every other tree continues to flourish. Ultraviolet radiational index for your skin, sunscreens a must in the medium range throughout the forecast period through Thursday. The agricultural forecast for southeastern New Jersey and northwestern New Jersey. No rainfall through Tuesday morning, quarter of an inch Tuesday afternoon and night. Winds for spraying southwest at 10 to 15 today, southwest at 5 tonight, west 5 to 10 on Tuesday. Humidities 30 to 40% today, 90 to 100% tonight, 50 to 60% Tuesday. Dew points will be near 50 today, near 60 Tuesday. Very good drying today, fair Tuesday morning, but possibly turning a little bit more poorer Tuesday afternoon in showers. Frost freeze or dew, light dew tonight, light dew Tuesday night, but wetting is possible in showers preceding that. And about 90% sunshine today, 40% on Tuesday. GFS forecast maps into motion. High pressure continues to move off the coast with a cold front approaching the region by tomorrow afternoon. It will become a little bit more diffuse as it moves through the region during Tuesday night and early Wednesday morning, passing through the region. Could be some isolated or scattered showers and even a thunderstorm around the region. We're not expecting widespread thunderstorm activity through the period. And more high pressure builds across the region for the mid to late part of the week. Thursday will be warmer than Wednesday, near seasonable temperatures on Wednesday, getting back into the 70s basically for the entire week right into the weekend. And this storm system here will, subtropical low, will be affecting the coastlines here of the southern reaches of the Carolinas and Georgia later in the week. And we'll be monitoring this for more of an onshore flow versus a south-southwesterly flow across the inland areas on Friday. That could turn our temperatures a little bit cooler, but right now the model guidance continues to hedge in the mid and upper 70s for both Friday and Saturday. And it looks like the fine weather is just going to continue throughout the period. And we'll be monitoring this, but it looks like we're going to be in for some nice weather. Another cold front approaches late in the weekend, and that could bring the chance for some widely scattered showers, but right now that looks to be a dying feature as well, and more diurnally driven by the afternoon heating of the day. Now, model guidance for the same period from Tuesday night into early Wednesday morning. This is when the convection begins to wax and wane as it heads over towards the northern New Jersey, New York City metropolitan area, dying out as it does so. So the impacts prior to rush hour on Wednesday look to be minimal at this time. So for everything live, it's Garden State Weather, gardenstateweather.blogspot.com, Twitter, Facebook, and Google+. I'm forecaster Robert Smith. Enjoy this spectacular Monday.